In this video, I'm going to show you how to accept credit card payments in QuickBooks Desktop. So to do this, first you want to go to Customers up top, and over here you want to click on Add Credit Card Processing. Now, first you'll have to set up QuickBooks Payments to be able to do this, okay? So it's going to open up Payments Onboarding over here, QuickBooks Payments, you can read all about it, and then over here you basically will have to get this and set it up, okay? So you can click on Get Started and then get through this, and basically that's what you'll need. So whenever you have that set up, you'll be able to process payments directly through the, of course, receive payment screen. So you can just click on receive payments over here whenever you have that set up, and then over here you can set all the things, and then you can click on credit or debit card over here, and you'll be able to basically set the payment and then the card number, expiry date, and you'll be able to process the payments directly through here. Okay, so that's how we do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.